Water's ice cold.
Can I give this thing a 10-star rating? My goodness, I love this. Probably one of my best Amazon purchases. Look at the capacity of this. It holds 11 cans of soda when you place them this way. It came with 2 shelves. It will slide in here and here. They go in and out very nicely. This little guy keeps things so closed. It latches well on the side. If I can come around here, it latches very well. It keeps things so cold. I had another little mini fridge. It was cute, very retro looking, but just kind of barely kept things a little cool, little cooler than room temperatures. This thing, the cans come out nice and ice cold. Drinks are so refreshing. I'm more than I can imagine advise you to buy this thing. I recommend it so highly. I am so pleased with this purchase. I hope you buy it, and I hope you enjoy it.
Bueno, aquí tengo el refrigerador. Me había funcionado muy bien. Está conectado a la corriente. Y lo prendo poco. Adentro del refrigerador se empezó a hacer la semana pasada, aquí atrás, una escarcha de hielo. De por sí, seguidamente encontraba yo aquí mucha humedad y la semana pasada había aquí una escarcha de hielo. Entonces lo apagué porque no iba a estar y ahora que lo prendí, bueno, ahora que regresé, pues no funciona, no calienta, no nada. Como pueden ver, tampoco tengo tantos artículos adentro y dejó de funcionar.
I personally love it. I don't need a whole bunch, but I have tall water bottles, small water bottles. You can double stack them, the soda cans, but there are all these shelves in case you want to do different stuff. Bunch of different accessories. I personally love it. I've had it for about 2 weeks. Makes barely any noise. I've had a great experience with it. Definitely recommend it.
Es muy amplio y había tenido anteriormente otro, pero este enfría bastante bien. Lo recomiendo.